Okay, let's look at this demonstration for Q learning. This is slow motion of Q learning. Okay, in this building, imagine you are in a building. The green room is the room with the prize and safe exit. You start with in one of the rooms in the left. Okay, the black room is the position you're currently in. So you don't know about the environment at all. You don't know which room has the prize. You just transport yourself into one of the rooms and you have to find the green room. Okay, all you've got is you can turn left or right, and initially you don't know anything about it. You have to explore and find out. While you're exploring, and once you found the green room, you update your knowledge and see which way did I go, and then update your knowledge. Okay, that's the training. At the moment, the training, you can see it's updating his mind. The mindset is a set of numbers. Okay, in each room you have two numbers. The first number is representing the reward you get for going left. The second number is for the reward for going to the right. Okay, so if the number is greater, you go that way. And initially it's all randomized. Because you don't have knowledge, so numbers are randomized, or they can be all zeros. Okay, zero knowledge. Then gradually, as you find the first time you're successful, second time you're successful, you keep trying, then eventually you memorize for a certain pattern. In each room, in this case, in each room you turn right. So therefore, we expect to see the right number, the second number in each room is greater than the one on the left. Okay, which is the first number. Okay, so you see, now towards having done some training, now the agent U which is represented by the black box. Now you can go to green room fairly easily. Yeah, going up. Yeah, you don't have to waste time wondering about anymore. Okay, that's after certain training. Okay. Yeah, this is going to take some time, so I'm going to stop the training and go for fast training, and then we use a trained model to test it and see if it works properly. Okay, now this is the training without slow motion. Yeah, okay. There are 1,000 episodes. Each episode is when you start from a random place, you finding the goal, and that's one episode finished. You keep trying that randomly in 1,000 times, then eventually you got a brain that's with knowledge. Okay, now you see, you can find whichever room you start with, 3, 5, 2, or whatever, whichever room you start from, you find the target, the green room, straightforward, easily, always going to right. Okay, that's after learning. No hesitation, no wondering about. Okay, that's the training. Next one, we'll look at the actual mindset, the numbers, how they changed. Okay, so each time we tested 4 or 5 times. Each time is going to the goal straight away. Yeah. Look, no mistakes done. Okay. Now this is the model. That's the model about learning. Started with initial Q value. Q value here is just a model, like your knowledge in your brain. Okay, in each row is represent a room. About that room you have 2 numbers. If you see a bigger number, greater number, you go that way. First number for left, second number for right. Now, because it's starting state, when you're in room 1, you turn left. And then you find out going left, no reward, no good, and therefore by learning you go right. Okay, starting with the initially, no pattern. First room left, second room right, third room left, fourth, fifth, they all going to the left. Okay, and only 2 or 3 of them going right. Okay, because the green room is on the right, so the proper learning result should be the second number is greater. Yeah, if that's the case, learning it will be successful. Now let's have a look at this one. Yeah, this is the learning after training completed. The Q learning means the model, the brain with knowledge. Now you look at the numbers. The second number minus 9 is greater than minus 100, therefore you go right. The second number for turning right, first number for turning left, okay? And in the second room, minus 4 against minus 9, again, minus 4 is the winning number, so you go right. Okay, as you can see there, 6 is greater than minus 13, 18 greater than minus 4, 31 better than 6, and so on and so on. So turning right in each room will lead you to the green room. So that means this model has learned properly, successfully. Okay. So now, you see, in Q learning, we didn't do anything. We didn't give it data. All the program, the algorithm is doing, has been doing is that randomly starting a room and keep trying until you reach the goal. And then once you reach the goal, you just update your knowledge. And then the knowledge is a set of numbers. Okay, so therefore you have a set of numbers in your brain. If I see greater number, I'll turn that way, follow that way. Okay, so that's Q learning. Q learning is one of the most popular reinforcement learning algorithms. Reinforcement learning means actions are determined by the reward. Okay, just like a baby is learning, you touch something hot, you don't touch it again because it burns. You taste something sweet and you won't try that again. So the reward is there. Okay,